Hi, I'm Brooke Wallace with the Arkansas Times with your news headline updates for Wednesday, July the 24th. In a ruling issued shortly before midnight on Tuesday, U.S. District Court Judge Christine Baker granted a 14-day restraining order to temporarily block 3 abortion restrictions from taking effect in Arkansas on Wednesday. One ban was a requirement that doctors performing abortions in the state be board certified or board eligible in obstetrics and gynecology, a restriction that Little Rock Family Planning Services said would have caused the only surgical abortion provider in the state to likely close. Quote, "The enforcement of this act would be harmful to patient care," end quote, Dr. Linda Prine, an abortion provider in New York, said in her testimony at Monday's hearing. Quote, "Women would die because of this law," end quote. Attorneys representing Planned Parenthood and Little Rock Family Planning Services also argued against 2 other restrictions. One would have banned abortion after 18 weeks, and the other would prevent women from obtaining an abortion solely because the fetus received a Down syndrome diagnosis. In a board of directors meeting Tuesday evening, Mayor Frank Scott Jr. made the tie-breaking vote to approve an ordinance that will create a citizens review board for the Little Rock Police Department. Directors Kathy Webb, Cappy Peck, Irma Hendricks, Ken Richardson, and Doris Wright voted for the ordinance, while Dean Campuris, Joan Adcock, Lance Hines, Gene Fortson, and Vice Mayor B.J. Wyrick voted against it. The Fraternal Order of Police and the Black Police Officers Association each opposed the ordinance Tuesday. Senator Joyce Elliott and Moms Demand Action's Eve Jorgensen spoke for it. The board also approved a pair of ordinances that designate the River Market as an entertainment district where people wearing wristbands or drinking out of approved containers can openly consume alcohol in public on Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, and on certain holidays. On the steps of City Hall on Wednesday morning, Kimberly Blackshire Lee, mother of Bradley Blackshire, who was shot and killed by former Little Rock Police Department officers Charles Starks during a traffic stop in February, told reporters she and other supporters of Blackshire had gathered over 2,000 signatures on a petition supporting Chief of Police Keith Humphrey's decision in May to terminate Starks' employment with the LRPD. The family said it planned to submit the petition to the Civil Service Commission. The submission of the petition comes just a day before Starks' appeal of his termination before the Civil Service Commission, which begins an appeal hearing at 8 a.m. on Thursday at the City Hall. Rebecca O'Donnell, the murder suspect in the killing of former State Senator Linda Collins, will be arraigned in Pocahontas District Court on Tuesday, July the 30th, Prosecutor Henry Boyce announced today. Well, that's all your news headlines. You can read more on the Arkansas blog. Thanks, and see you tomorrow.